Hello students, last class you have done electrovalent bond and electrovalent compounds. Our today's topic is covalent bond and covalent compound. First, what is covalent bond? A force of attraction developed between the two atoms due to mutual sharing of electron between the atoms is called covalent bond. Once again, a force of attraction developed between two combining atoms due to mutual sharing of electron between the atoms is called covalent bond. And how it is formed, let us see. A chemical bond that is formed by mutual sharing of one or more pair of electron between similar or dissimilar atoms is called covalent bond. And the molecule or the compound formed is called covalent molecule or covalent compound. Next point, type of covalent bond. First, single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. A chemical bond, a covalent bond formed by sharing of only one pair of electron is called single covalent bond. That is, shared electron pair is only one. Both atoms are contributing only one electron to make the shared pair. Then the bond is single covalent bond. See the example. Like hydrogen has one electron in the outermost shell. Another hydrogen form a bond. Single covalent bond is represented by one short line between the two combining atoms. Like this. One more example, chlorine. Chlorine atom is having how many electrons? 7 electrons in the valence shell. Another chlorine atom is also having 7 electrons in the valence shell. They combine to form like this. Now see, both the atoms are having 8 electrons, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here also. And shared pair is only one. Then this is a single covalent bond and both the atoms are attaining octet configuration. Some, let us see, heteroatomic molecules having single covalent bond like methane, CH4. Here one carbon atom is having 4 electrons. One hydrogen atom is having only 1 electron. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen atoms are needed here? 4 hydrogen atoms are needed. Then here we can make carbon is having 4 valence electrons. Then 4 hydrogen atoms are combining with this carbon atom to form methane. Now you can draw the structure like this. This is the structure of methane molecule. You can draw the structure of methane like this. The structure of ammonia. Like that, one nitrogen atom shares one electron with this hydrogen, another electron with this hydrogen, next electron with this hydrogen, and one is non-bonding pair of electrons. This is ammonia molecule. Electrons are shared and there is formation of ammonia molecule. That is the example of single covalent bond. Water is having oxygen atom shared one electron with this hydrogen atom. Another electron with this hydrogen atom, and here is two non-bonding pair. This is oxygen. Now water molecule is like this. This is non-bonding pair. Then these are some example of the molecules having single covalent bond. Now examples of double covalent bond. What is double covalent bond? This is a covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between the atoms. If shared electron pair is 2, sharing of two pair of electron between the atoms results double bond, covalent bond formation. Double covalent bond is the combination of two single bond. This is why it is represented by two parallel lines, short parallel lines, and let us see example. Oxygen. One oxygen atom is having 6 electrons in the valence shell. Another oxygen atom is also having 6 electrons in the valence shell. They combine with each other to form oxygen molecule. See here, both the atoms are having octet configuration and stable. O2 is represented oxygen double covalent bond, like this. Now triple covalent bond. A covalent bond formed by sharing of 3 pair of electrons. That is, shared electron pair is 3. Each atom is contributing 3 electrons for sharing. Then the bond resulted is triple covalent bond. See the example, like nitrogen. One nitrogen atom is having 5 electrons. Another is also having 5 electrons. Each atom need 3 electrons for octet configuration. Now there is formation of nitrogen molecule. This is non-bonding pair of electron. Non-bonding pair of electron, and it is represented by putting 3 lines like this. This is example of triple covalent bond. Now let us see polar covalent bond. A covalent bond formed between two dissimilar atoms in which the shared pair of electron is not in the midway of the two bonded atoms, or the shared electron pair is not equally distributed between the combining atoms. Or you can say shared electron pair is not at equal distance between the combining atoms. Any term you can use, or the shared electron pair between the bonded atom is not attracted equally by both the atoms. Such bond is called polar covalent bond. In polar covalent bond, the atom having higher electronegativity attracts the shared pair more strongly towards its nucleus and develops a partial or slight negative charge on it. Equal amount of partial positive charge is developed on the other less electronegative atom. Hence, there is slight charge separation, and such bond is called polar covalent bond. Let us see some example. Like hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. This hydrogen chloride molecule, the covalent bond, the shared pair of electron is attracted more towards the chlorine atom because its electronegativity is around 3 and its electronegativity is around 2.1. This is why here is partial negative charge and here is partial positive charge. Their polarity is developed and this is a polar covalent bond. What is pole, I want to tell you. Means if very small charges, equal and opposite charges are separated apart by a very short distance, such a system is known as electric dipole. In case of molecule, it is called molecular dipole. Poles are developed here, positive pole and negative pole, and the bond is polar covalent bond, like that. Now some more example, like water. Here shared electron pair is attracted more by oxygen atom, and this is why here is negative, partial negative charge, here is partial positive charge, because the shared electron pair is more towards the oxygen atom. Shared electron pair gets shifted towards the oxygen atom. As a result, oxygen develops partial negative charge and hydrogen develops partial positive charge. That is, water is a polar molecule. Bond is polar. Ammonia. Ammonia is a polar molecule because electronegativity difference is there. Then shared electron pair is attracted more towards the nitrogen. As a result, shared electron pair gets shifted towards the nitrogen, and nitrogen develops partial slight negative charge over it, and hydrogen develops partial positive charge because shared electron pair is going away from hydrogen. This is why here is partial positive charge. Ammonia molecule is a polar covalent molecule. Now next, non-polar covalent molecule. A covalent bond in which the shared electron pair is in the midway of the two bonded atoms, is at equal distance from the bonding atoms, is shared equally, then the bond is called non-polar covalent bond. In these bonds there is no charge separation, and these non-polar covalent molecules do not ionize, do not form ions in their aqueous solution in water, but polar covalent molecule, they form ions, they ionize in water, but non-polar covalent molecules do not ionize in water, they do not form ions. For example, hydrogen is a non-polar covalent molecules because both the hydrogen atoms are similar, they have same electronegativity, so the shared electron pair is in the mid of the two bonded atoms, and this is a non-polar covalent molecule, bond is non-polar. See the example, hydrogen. Here it is in between the two and this is non-polar, no need of writing any charge over it. Another one, chlorine. Chlorine is also non-polar. because both are having same electronegativity. Shared electron pair is in the midway, attracted equally at equal distance, not shifting towards any atom. Then the result is there is no charge formation on any atom, and this is a non-polar covalent molecule. Methane. Methane is also a non-polar covalent molecule because of its symmetrical structure. There the and very slight difference in electronegativity and its symmetrical structure, methane molecule is a non-polar covalent molecule. Then that's all for today. Now next day I will tell you something more about covalent compounds and covalent bond.